avuxeni vahlaleri nhlikani loyi a vulavulaka lani i Kid Wayne ni mfana wa kwala Bakersdorp ni huma kwala dorobeni ra Tzaneen. Xiyimbeleri ni nqambi ni yimbelele tinghoma ta rap, ni yimbelele hip hop, ni yimbelele R&B, ni yimbelela ni Afrobeat, na ti tsalele tinghoma ta mehe. So a ni kombele ku ta teka xinkarhana lexi ni mi navetise tinghoma ta mehe leti ni tlangaka tona. Ni rhandza ku khensa ngopfu ka Munghana Lonene eka nkarhi lowu va nga nyika wona.
Ready to go. Get ready to go. Just get ready to go. Yeah. Ikhalan babjalan tapopa. Yeah. Yeah, abantibi kahle mina ngozi. Yeah. Yeah, and noma kutlula na pova. Yeah. Yeah, look paphahla lakta huma dlozi. Yeah. Yeah, man, I'm grinding, man, it love I'm over. Yeah. Yeah, told my mom I'm gonna worry in your body. Yeah. There's too many rumors and got about the lawyer. Yeah. All them haters pretenders, that's why you don't move me. I don't search for a try, man, I'm making a trend, yeah. Yeah. Say my prayers to God and this I don't got you. No. I saw good people chance if I'm there like Itori. No, number one in this game, lava fan and a trophy. Yeah, it calling but telling the papa. Yeah, yeah, I want to be cashlamin and cozy. Yeah, yeah, and then no more control and a pova. Yeah, yeah, look my pasha like the home at Josie. Yeah, I heard him say trap ya tanini ya bora. Yeah. Man, I got the juice, marangari groovy. No, send my tracks to my sister, she sending a rosy. No, they say kid when we wish that you was born in Josie. Yeah, I won't ganti baktala until they heard all of my songs. They say yo, boy you come from Tanini, but why do your songs sound like you from the States? Tell them Mungan by Zeli, cause me not show me. Yeah, 2021 Munghana return your COVID. Come from the ghetto, my life it ain't settled. I need me some medals. Thinking about days I was broke, don't want that for my kids, yeah. Yeah, ngenela trapi mumi shlaba fan bana drama. Yeah, I prefer to call me a goat, mara I am boozy. Yeah, baktala mi ring, I trip, mara still I'm todi. Yeah, pick after pick every day, I be looking for likes, yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry if I'm getting too personal for lava fana. Low West 99 and Kid Wayne, yeah, my boy. I want that girl over there. What's your name, girl? Tell me. Now let me walk you home right now. Where you live, girl? Show me. I don't wanna be a friend, nah. I would lie if I say so. I just wanna be a boy right now. Let me ring your finger. Show me where you live, my baby. Tell me what's your name. I'll take you to my place, my baby. Introduce you to my mom. I'm talking ring your finger. Now let me ring your finger. Now show me where you live, my baby. Tell me what's your name, girl. I'll take you to my place, my baby. Introduce you to my mom. I saw you with your friends, some beautiful girls, but I went for you, cause you caught my eye. Had to stop for a while, you were one of a kind. I was out of my mind, I was out of the words, but I chose to approach. So she didn't play dumb, she didn't play stupid. I tried to pour my heart, told her hold my cup. She told me hold on boy, I'm not that foolish. So feel my heart, you're gonna need her, but what you mean about that? I need your attention, I need your perfection and your imperfection. I know your character, I don't have to ask, I'm trying my best, yeah. Don't tell me you don't see that I'm trying so hard to get you, but you play girl, I'll never lay you a finger. I wanna ring your finger. Now let me ring your finger. It's Kid Wayne, hey. I want that girl over there. What's your name, girl? Tell me. Now let me walk you home right now. Where you live, girl? Show me. I don't wanna be a friend, nah. I would lie if I say so. I just wanna be a boy right now. Let me ring your finger. Yeah. Now show me where you live, my baby. Tell me what's your name. Yeah. Ski Dwayne. Yeah. Hello, what's 99? Yeah. Every time when I get on my knees, talk to God, man, I pray for success. And I heard that my mama been praying on me, so that means I'm next. I'm tryna break the cycle, I'm tryna break this chain. I was raised in poverty, yeah, God, I won't die in poverty. Tryna break the cycle, tryna break this chain. And I was raised in poverty, but yeah, God, I won't die in poverty. God forbid, God is my witness, I won't die in poverty. God forbid, God is my witness, I won't die in poverty. God forbid, God is my witness, I won't die in poverty.
I pray for money.
Kid Wayne, low what's 99? Yeah, I see murder everywhere I go. Yeah. I don't know what tomorrow holds, so don't judge me when I'm trying hard. I should get a youth that why they call that case a homicide? Man, I swear I saw his sister cry. I wonder how his mama would cry. I said, wonder how his mama would cry. Yeah. I wonder how his family would cry. Why they call that case a homicide? So I saw his sister cry. Yeah. I wonder how his mama would cry. I see murder everywhere I go. Man, I swear the streets will show you no sympathy. Another homie made the news and took him to lean voice. The police trying to take statements, but there's no witnesses. How the hell he lost his life without no one concerned? Nowadays you lose somebody, no one seems surprised. Too many graves up in the cemetery, no more space. I'm trying to motivate the youth, I hope they pay attention. I've been feeling like the voice ever since Lemare. They be asking me what do I do just for a living. My only mission is to move my mama out the ghetto. So if I die today, I hope you miss me for my music, not the smokes and the drinks that I share with you. Yeah. Ski Dwayne, yeah. I don't know what tomorrow holds, so don't judge me when I'm trying hard. I should get a youth that in my hood. Why they call that case a homicide? Man, I swear I saw his sister cry. I wonder how his mama would cry. I wonder how his mama would cry. Yeah. I wonder how his family would cry. Why they call it case of homicide? What they call a case of homicide.
Skid Wayne, ay. Let's go. Challenge Quash you on the beat, ay. Yo, Flex, you make this, ay. Say, yeah. Lately I've been working on me. Told my mama I will make it out. Know some people wanna see my downfall. It's not my fault that you don't know the struggle. I'm just chasing all my dreams. I'm not sleeping, don't you wake me. I want that new Mercedes. Yeah, I need a bunny man, I'm walk. Yeah, I run the game, coming back. Yeah, I've been living in a lose, I've been living in a lose. My profit, I've been good. Yeah, I've been caught in man, I'm walk. Yeah, I've been caught in man, I'm walk. Yeah, I've been living in a lose, I've been living in a lose. My profit, I've been good. Yeah, I've been caught in man, I'm walk. Yeah, I've been caught in man, I'm walk. Yeah, step on the scene, I'm taking the lead, I'm running my pace. Yeah, truth be told, I'll tell you I'm this rapper's favorite rapper. Wasn't raised with a silver spoon, mama came with the brain, so I want that body. Yeah, 5.5 page streams, man, I just earned that and I'm independent. I'm a definition of a hustler. Yeah, you don't know about my struggle. Yeah, you don't know I'm from the mud, that's why I'm sipping dirty Sprite. Yeah, it's Skid Wayne. Lately I be working on me. Told my mama I will make it out. Know some people wanna see my downfall. It's not my fault that you don't know the struggle. I'm just chasing all my dreams. I'm not sleeping, don't you wake me. I want that new Mercedes. Yeah, I need a bunny man, I'm walk. Yeah, I run the game, coming back. Yeah, I've been living in a lose, I've been living in a lose. My profit, I've been good. Yeah, I've been caught in man, I'm walk. Yeah, I've been caught in man, I'm walk. Yeah, I've been living in a lose, I've been living in a lose. My profit, I've been good. Hey, I've been caught in man, I'm walk. Hey, I've been caught in man, I'm walk. It's Skid Wayne, hey. Challenge Quash you on the beat, ay. Yo, Flex, you make this. Yeah, Travi on the beat, yeah. Low was 99. Yeah. Watch your tone when you talk to me. Cause the things that you say or you do will be hurting me. Yeah, let's go. I'm doing fine if you're asking me. All alone in my room, I will cry when you lie to me. Tell me, say, I don't know what love is, yeah, and I can't describe it, yeah. When they ask me about it, yeah, I just think about you. I'm thinking about you. I'm addicted to you. I'm addicted to you. Addiction, mommy. I got addiction, mommy. Addiction, mommy. I'm addicted. Tell me how you feel when you think about me. Sometimes I feel like I'm on rehab. When we apart, you're my missing piece. Yeah, it's kinda hard to love. I thought you promised not to let go. I thought you
promise not to leave. Why you acting like a kid though? It can't be hard for you to see. This kind of love is so dangerous, it's so hazardous. And if I break it down, we gon' pick it up like an economy, girl. I like the way you move, you got me in the mood. I'm feeling like a fool, the way I'm loving you. This feeling so good. Oh yeah, this feeling so good. I don't mean to be rude, but I kill for you. Yeah. And if I shoot my shot, it go grrr, blast. And I'ma make these haters down on my heats. Said if I shoot my shot, it go grrr, blast. And when I shoot my shot, it go grrr, blast. All alone in my room, I will cry when you lie to me. Tell me, say, I don't know what love is,
Yeah,
and I can't describe it.
yeah,
When they ask me about it,
yeah.
I just think about you.
I've been thinking about you. I will never let you go, babe. I will never let you leave, Shani. My whole mood I've been thinking about you.
This kid wine, I know what's 99. I said 99. And this life ain't enough for me. Yeah. Tell these haters don't bother me, I'm on a mission. They see my foundation, now they tryna break. But I never stop cause I see the light. How can I when I came this far? I see that God did play his part. Ooh. But this life ain't enough for me. Ain't enough for me. I don't know what they want from me. I don't know. They just complain, they won't bring me down. Just complain, they won't bring me down. And when you try hard, they just say you're not. But this life ain't enough for me. This life ain't enough for me. I don't know what they want from me. I don't know. They just complain, they won't bring me down. Just complain, they won't bring me down. And when you try hard, they just say you're not. Patiently waiting for my time to come like a taxi. I'm ready like a soldier. I just hope that I don't sign a deal. They don't know how hard this is, and this song's don't write itself. Every situation I done been through, so I put that on my song. I don't need a diary. They might find out what I'm up to. Since so many girls who came in my life said they love me, they turned me to her man. Hey, I will make you know the things that I came across. If I tell you that I trust you, let me down. I keep on rolling my dice when I get a chance. I'm on a mission tryna build my mama's story. When she see me winning, she gon' say she's sorry. Man, I do this for my nieces and nephews. I'm Kid Wayne, I ain't got no baby. I'm just living my life just the way I want. And you can tell me not, it's just me and Lil West. Every day I pray to God we make it out the hood. Tell these haters don't bother
Kid Wayne and blue. They been hating on the kid from the start, and I don't know. Now when they see me, they don't act like Stevie Wonder, and I can tell you that I'm close. Yeah, I'm close. Dandelion, yeah, we close. Tell my homies that we close. Yeah, go. They been hating on that kid from the start, and I don't know. Now when they see me, they don't act like Stevie Wonder, and I can tell you that I'm close. Yeah, I'm close. You can see we doing shows. Tell my homies that we close.
I'll be running now, I'm close. I'm a minute from the door.
Avuxeni nakambe vahlaleri ni khensi ngopfu xinkarhananyana xa n'wehe. Risimu ra me ra masungulo i Inghozi. Risimu ra me ra vumbirhi i Ring Your Finger. Risimu ra me ra vunharhu i Poverty. Risimu ra me ra vumune i Homicide. Risimu ra me ra vuntlhanu i Nan'waka. Ra vu-6 i Addiction. Ra vu-7 i Try Hard. Ra makumu ra ku hetelela i I'm Close. Ndzi khensa ngopfu eka Munghana Lonene eka nkarhi lowu va nga nyika woho na ka muganga lowu ni humaka ka wona. Ndzi khensa na muganga lowu ni humaka ka wona wa Bekkersdorp na Tzaneen. So ni khensa ngopfu, va ni siku ra kahle.
Nirivutomi lebya baba. It's Kid Wayne, Lowest 99. They said I gotta represent, man, I do this for my town, yeah. Nirivutomi lebya baba, what's a life after matric, yeah. Cause I'm still stuck up in the streets, making hits but they don't listen. Man, I've been pouring out my pain, hope one day you're gonna relate. Nirivutomi lebya baba, evutomi lebya baba, yeah. Cause what's a life after matric when you stuck up in the streets, yeah.